Deleting your Dashers Direct account is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can delete your Dashers Direct account. The process is pretty simple. For that, you just have to follow these instructions. Now, according to these instructions, what you have to do is you have to go to your Dashers Direct and remove all of your shifts. After removing the shifts, you have to contact the DoorDash customer support. So for that, go to Google, search for DoorDash customer support. Now, after that, you will be able to see a phone number and their email address as well. So I would suggest you just try to call them and they will be able to help you out canceling it. However, you can email them as well by typing in DoorDash customer service email and you'll be able to find email address as well. Now you can actually email them and try to explain them why you want to delete your account and include all the details of your identity, which may include your address, your phone number, and all the things associated with your Dashes account. So they will accept it and they will be able to help you delete your account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this very helpful.